Hi everybody, it's Carol. I've been going through my 30-day food supply that I purchased from eFoods Direct, and as I'm going through there, I'm picking out items that I would like to try before I purchase them for long-term use. They've been really good so far. I've tried 3 of them. This will be my 4th meal that I've tried, and so tonight it's actually going to be a white cheddar shells and sauce meal. And again, they come in these little pouches. They're already ready to go. They're 25-year shelf life. The ingredients and the nutritional facts are right there on the back so that you can see those. This meal actually comes in 2 separate pouches. This one is the pasta shells, and then this one is the powder cheese things. So I have 5 cups of water on the stove, boiling it so that I can put the shells in there. Those cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then while that is cooking, I'm going to take this pouch and mix it in a small bowl with about a 1 1/4 cup of hot water from the tap, and I'm just going to mix that all together, set it aside. Once the noodles are all done, I'll drain the noodles and put the sauce over the noodles and mix it all together, and we'll see what happens. I'm really excited to try this one. I've had a couple people actually get some food storage from eFoods, and they've tried this and they had good reviews on it, so I'm hoping that I have them as well. Okay, and I'll be back. I'll kind of give some video of while it's cooking, and then I'll come back after I get it tested and let you know how it turns out. Thanks. Okay, I'm back. This is the white cheddar cheese sauce, and I have mixed it with 1 1/4 cups of hot water just from the tap, and I've just whisked that together. So that's looking really good. You're just supposed to set that aside and leave that until the noodles get done. And there's the noodles, just normal shell noodles, and they're just cooking away. So once this is finished, I'm just going to put it all together, pour the sauce over the noodles, and I'll probably just put it in a cute little casserole dish. That way it's nice and warm, and I might even put some breadcrumbs or something over the top of it. So this would be a good one too, I think, maybe to even add some pieces of chunked up chicken or rotisserie chicken, or you could even do tuna fish if you had that in your food storage or something like that. I think that would be a really good addition. So anyway, I'll be back shortly and I'll let you know how everything pulls together. Okay, I'm back. Here are the noodles, the shells for the white cheddar sauce and shells, and I put it on for 12 minutes, and they're still pretty hard. And I think I would actually, instead of the 5 cups of water, I think I would do about 5 1/2 to 6, because it really sucked up a lot of that water. So just FYI, in case if you guys want to make this at any point in time. So anyway, I'll be back when I get it all put together. Okay, I'm back. I have the shells and sauce in the casserole dish, and the sauce was really, really runny. And I don't know why. Like I said, there was only 1 1/4 cups of water added to the sauce mix, and so I thought, well, maybe I'll put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes or so to thicken up, but it still hasn't thickened up. So it's really, really, I mean, definitely not like a macaroni and cheese or something. So it's definitely a sauce, like it says. It actually doesn't taste too bad. I would probably just do, a little bit of extra pepper and possibly do the breadcrumbs and stuff over the top of it. But yeah, it's not a bad dish. And, other than the fact that it's really, really runny. So I'm going to go ahead and probably take out some of that sauce, and then, just go from there, I guess. I mean, like I said, it still tastes good. It just is really runny. So anyway, I hope that okay, I'm back with the shells and sauce here, and I have put it in a casserole dish, and it looks really, really runny. So I put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes and cooked it like that to see if it would thicken up any, and it hasn't yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and probably dump some of that out so that it's not so runny. I mean, it does say a sauce, it doesn't say like macaroni and cheese. And like I said, it was only 1 1/4 cups of water, so I'm not sure why it's so runny. Maybe in a little bit the noodles will, you know, soak up some more of that juice. But other than that, I tasted it. It's not too bad. I'd add a little bit of pepper to it and possibly a little bit of butter maybe. And then I think I'm definitely going to put some breadcrumbs over the top of it just to kind of give it that, you know, a little bit of a crunch. So anyway, all in all, it's not a bad dish. And I hope that this review helps you decide on your food storage for the future as well. So till next time, this is Carol. Thanks.